Chris, I'm ready for my self-tape.
Great. I don't have to put them on a self-tape. I have to get ready for Wednesday class. I can't think of anything.
Chris, I'm still waiting for my self-tape. Just use ChatGPT or Gemini or something.
I've tried. It's just not the same.
Darn it, Chris. I was counting on you. This self-tape was really important. So much for being the best acting teacher in all of Florida.
Well, then don't pray for rain if you can't handle the mud.
Chris is losing it.
I can't stand the pressure. I can't.
He's so dramatic, crybaby.